Greetings, welcome to my channel, session number 4. My name is Muhammad Umar Diginsa. I'm here for the first session of programming in Python using picto logs, that is under the bootcamp of Stempedia. Let's start. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to develop a ChatGPT AI assistant. Okay, let's give it a name for GPT assistant using AI. Okay, in this one we are going to programming it. When we programming it, whereby the Tobi will will act as our a ChatGPT AI assistant, whereby we will ask him a question and he will give us the answer. After he gives us the answer, this answer in terms of text has to be translated as a speech. Okay, let's start. Since we have our stage, we have two project files. We have the stage and we have a Tobi. Under the Tobi, then we are going to start by declaring our variable to ChatGPT. For example, GPT. Let's start. For example, GPT equals to uh, chat GPT. Okay, so this. Okay, now text to speech. For example, text to speech as a variable equals to text to speech. Okay, now we need to have a prompt. Okay, prompt equals to, for example, the Sprite. We need a prompt from the Sprite that will take an input, okay, in terms of text. Okay, for example, we have, for example, let's see what we like to answer. What we like to ask. For example, let's see this. Okay, now the GPT. Okay, the GPT will what? Will dot ask chat GPT, ask on chat GPT. It has to be connected. Okay, this one we use the AI assist assistant assistant, sorry, assistant, okay, comma, with the variable prompt. Okay, now we have the answer equals to the GPT will give us the answer that chat GPT, that's the result. Okay, we ask the Sprite, okay, to see whatever the solution or whatever the answer that comes from the chat GPT with the variable answer. Okay, because the answer contains the result. Okay, now we ask it to speak ts dot speak. Okay, dot speak what the answer. That's the variable. Okay, set this correct. Now let's try. This. Let's run this. Okay, yes. Now we can see it is saying, for example, what will you like to answer? For example, let's say uh, artificial intelligence. For example, artificial intelligence, intelligence, artificial intelligence. For example, artificial intelligence. Okay, let's wait for the answer.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks include speech recognition, decision-making, problem solving, learning, and perception. AI systems are designed to analyze large amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. They can be trained to perform specific tasks and improve their performance over time through machine learning algorithms. There are various subfields within AI, including natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, expert systems, and neural networks. AI is used in a wide range of applications, including virtual assistants, autonomous vehicles, image and speech recognition, healthcare diagnosis, recommendation systems, and financial analysis. However, AI also raises ethical and societal concerns, such as job displacement, privacy issues, bias and discrimination in algorithms, and the potential for AI systems to be used for malicious purposes. It is important to consider the ethical implications and responsible use of AI technology.
That's good. Okay, now clone the whole code. For example, let's see, what is chat GPT, for example. Let's see. This is very awesome. Sweet. Let's comment this. Okay, now we have an error. Let's remove this. See. Okay. GPT. See. You can even drag and drop. You can even drag. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Chat GPT.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Okay, that's good. Okay, tell me about yourself. Okay, let's wait and see.
I am an AI language model developed by OpenAI. I am designed to assist users in generating human-like text based on the prompts given to me. I am constantly learning and improving through the vast amount of data I am trained on. My purpose is to provide helpful and accurate responses to the best of my abilities. Please feel free to ask me any questions or give me any prompts you have.
That's good. Okay, what should I ask you again? What do you know about? What do you know about Muhammad Umar Dibjensa. This is serious.
I'm
But I
sorry,
could not
but I
find
couldn't
any
find
information
any
about it.
information
It
about
is possible
Muhammad
that
Umar
he may be a
Dadinsa.
private
It's
individual,
possible
not
that
a
he may be
leader.
a private
Yes.
individual or not widely known.
That's good. Okay, let's run another text. Uh, what is the largest largest AI computer currently? Hmm, this is very interesting. As of
As
now,
of
the
now,
largest AI
the largest
computer
AI
AI
computer is the
bridging
AI Bridging Cloud Infrastructure ABCI system developed by the National Institute of
of Advanced
Advanced
Industrial Science and
Industrial Science
Technology
and Technology AIST in
AIST.
Japan. It has a peak performance of 37 petaflops, quadrillions of floating
Point operation per second.
point operations per second, and is specifically designed for AI research and development.
Wow, that's good. Ah, that's good. Thank you so much for your assistance. Okay,
You're
I
welcome.
think
I'm glad I could help.
I have
If you have any more
no more
questions or
question.
need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Thank you so much. Actually, this is very fun and good. Okay, uh, this comes to the end of my session 4. So feel free uh, to ask, comment, like, share. Please feel free. You can like my channel, you can comment, you can subscribe, even subscribe. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you. Okay.